Welcome everyone. Thanks for watching my video again. If you like it, remember like and subscribe and share. Thank you. This question is about a fusion reaction. Look at the thing, okay, specific energy. So remember what is specific energy? Is energy over mass, okay? So look at it. I said that one reaction 4 mega eV is released, so energy is 4 mega eV. And then what is the mass? Mass is this 2 deuterium, each one mass number 2, so it did 4 U energy. So next one is to estimate this term. 4 is cancel out. The mega you can keep it because megajoule is here. So just change EV, okay, so it's mega joules, okay. So change the EV, electronic mass charge is 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19. And then how to estimate U? You remember 1 gram, 1 mole, right? So each one has 10 to the power negative 3 kilogram. And over the Avogadro number, 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So we need to estimate this thing. This is a kilogram. So we got the correct unit megajoule per kilogram. Excellent. So how to calculate this one? So, okay, the numerator is still there. 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19. How to manipulate it? Okay, look at here. Over and over. So flip the Avogadro number up becomes multiplication. And 1 over 10 to the power negative 3 become 10 to the power 3. So estimate it 10 to the power, first of all, okay, 1.6 times 6 is nearly 10, so it's 1. So minus 19 plus 23 plus 3. So what is the result? 10 to the power 8. Well, then you got it, okay. So do it slowly, step by step. We can do it. Thank you.